So in today's video, we're going to look at setting row heights and column widths in VBA. There are different ways to do this, so I'm going to go through a couple different options that you have. First, if I step through this, I'm going to be setting the row height of row 1 to a height of 10, and you'll see that change. In the next one, I'm going to be setting the row height for the first 20 rows in this data set. I'm going to set the row height to 10, and you can see all of that change there. The next, I'm going to use the auto fit. So this allows that the row height be set to the value that would be the best for the row to be able to show the data that's in there. All this data is kind of normal, so it just sets it to a height of 15, which is like standard row height. Then you're going to set the row height here for the entire sheet. So this is every row in the sheet will be set to a height of 10. So next is column widths. So let's just set this rows back to a normal size so they're easier to read. Next will be column width. So I'm just going to start with column 1. So this is column 1 or column A. Will be set to a column width of 10. Now I'm going to set it using the column letter. So I could have done this with A as well, but to show you two different methods, this is column B, and I set that to a column width of 10. You can do multiple columns at once. So here I'm setting columns A through C to a value of 10. And then I'm going to use the auto fit. So this is similar to the rows, so that the column width will be set to the best column width for each of those columns. So I'm going to set those to auto width, and then it's set those to based on the data that's in there. And then I can also, just like rows, I can set the column width for the entire sheet for every column, and I'm going to set that to a value of 10. So those are different ways in VBA that you can set column widths. There's no better or worse way to set them. It's just really up to your preference how you want to set them.